Alright guys, this here is the brand new condenser for the new house, which is finally done. There's only one thing left to do on it and then I will have power. But this condenser was put back in. But it's just standard ICP unit, and it is a 410 system. It's 2.5 ton. And it was made July 2024. It is a heat pump. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. A little dirty now. And of course the fan blades are going to want to spin while I'm doing this, and that stick won't fit in there. But Copeland compressor, you can see the Copeland logo. Kind of see it. Trust me, it is a scroll. Yep, Emerson Copeland scroll. And this is the condenser. I don't have the keys with me, but they did put a coil in the upflow air handler. So there's a line set. Here's my lovely electrical. The installer put this in, and that whip. I did everything else under the house and all. But yeah, this is the condenser. Down in the comments, guess how much a condenser and a coil and installation for line set and all cost me. Whoever guesses right will get a shout out in the next video. See you on the next one. Bye for now.